Oh my, it's so hot today. I wish we had a cool place to splash. Let's think of something fun. I have an idea. Tell us. Let's build our own little pool. Yay! Look, this place is perfect. It's nice and flat. Yeah! Let's start digging. Dig together. We're doing great. Dig, dig, dig. Our pool is getting bigger. Almost finished. Keep going, everyone. These stones will make it strong. This one is shiny. It's looking beautiful. Great teamwork. Yeah! The bucket is full. Pull together. Fresh water. Yay! Careful, don't spill it. I'm carrying mine. Almost there. Pour together. It's filling up. Look at the water. Hooray! We did it! Our pool is beautiful. Great teamwork. Yay! The water is nice and cool. Can we swim now? Can we swim now? Yes! Splash! Woohoo! This feels amazing! Catch this splash! Haha! My turn! You're so funny! This is so relaxing. Best summer ever! Look, I'm spinning! I'm happy we built this. Teamwork made it possible. Friends make everything more fun. We love summer! We built it together! It looks amazing! Teamwork is the best. Hooray! Today was so much fun! Our summer pool is wonderful! See you next time, friends! Bye-bye!